Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hi, my name is Brendan Lowe, and I'm a senior automation expert at Solved. Today, I'm going to be talking you through something that I think is really cool and has already changed my workflow drastically, and that's the Claude extension for Excel. I'm going to share my screen, and let's jump into it. All right, if you don't have this add-in, it's very easy to get from Excel. You can just go to add-ins. You'll go to find more add-ins at the Microsoft App Source. You'll find the Claude add-in, click on it. It's going to have you sign in. And once you do that, then you'll have the ability to open Claude once you're in Excel. So because I think this is really cool and also I'm lazy, I'm actually going to have Claude do everything for this demo. So I'm going to say, I need to demo Okay, I'm gonna have Claude generate the test data for me. It looks like it's gonna ask me a couple questions here to understand the type of demo. What kind of demos do you want to showcase? I am going to let's do data cleanup and transformation. And we'll do small for now. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pause this while we wait for it to generate the data. It usually takes around a minute or so not super long. Okay, like I said, it took about a minute, but now we have two tabs. Claude decided to give us some messy sales data and some raw survey responses. And I'm not gonna lie, this data does look pretty bad. So let's go ahead and see what we can showcase here. One thing I noticed is here the status, we have typos, we have missing data, we have things spelled incorrectly. So let's just go ahead and say, you don't actually have to highlight the column, you can, but I'm going to say, please clean up column H so that we are left with a standardized fix misspellings and miscapitalizations. I don't even know if that's a word, but let's see how it does. Now, while it's doing that, a couple of the ways that I've done this working with Salesforce data, it's been extremely helpful to format data, kind of like what we're doing here. So formatting pick list values. It's also really good at doing X lookups across multiple columns. So I could say, maybe I have external IDs and I want it to populate Salesforce IDs. I can have it do it for 6 columns at a time, all from one prompt. So it helps a lot with being able to migrate data. Okay, and it did a really good job. It looks like it got us down to shipped, pending, canceled. I think that's it. They're now all cleaned up, spelt correctly, capitalized the same way, just from one prompt. Raw survey responses. It can also handle doing like analyses really well. Analyze the data in raw survey responses and let me know what I should prioritize cleaning up first. Okay, we'll pause that while it thinks. Looks like it got it quickly. Okay, so it comes in here, it says your first priority should be the rating in column F. Can't even use it because of how this looks, where it says 4 out of 5 versus excellent versus 3. Wants to standardize this first, either to a number or a word, and then go from there. So, the use cases here are endless. I think this is a super useful tool. Most companies use Excel. So excited to hear how you are using it, and if not, how you were able to get it and start using it. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.